Need a dash cam that watches the road, the back, and the inside of the car? Here's the ranking from weakest to best, with the honest strengths and the trade-offs you should know before buying. At number 5, we have the ROVE R2-4K Dual. And I'll say this clearly right away. This is not a true front, rear, and cabin setup. It records the road ahead and behind, but there is no dedicated interior camera. For a normal front and rear dash cam, it still brings a lot. You get a Sony STARVIS 2 front sensor, built-in GPS, dual-band Wi-Fi, a 3-inch screen, and a 128GB card in the box. That makes it easy to start using without buying a bunch of extras right away. But here's the problem. For this specific category, cabin coverage matters, and this model simply does not have it. Also, the advertised 4K front video has been questioned in independent reviews, with reports that the image is upscaled rather than true native 4K. The rear camera is also only 1080p, so it is not on the same level as the stronger 3-channel models. So this one makes sense if you only need front and rear recording, and you like the included card and GPS. But if you drive rideshare, carry passengers often, or want interior evidence, the next options fit the topic much better. Links to all products from this review at the best price are in the description under the video. At number 4, we have the PRUVEEO D90-4CH. On paper, this one looks very tempting because it gives you 4 cameras instead of 3, and it includes a 128GB card. The big idea here is flexibility. You can cover the front, rear, and the sides, or angle the rotating lenses toward the cabin. In daily use, that can be useful if you want a wide view around the car, not just a simple front and back recording. It also has GPS, Wi-Fi, infrared lights for inside the car, and a waterproof rear camera. But you can feel where the compromise is. All 4 channels record in 1080p, so it does not have the detail of the VIOFO or even the stronger front camera setup on some competitors. Independent reviews also rated the video quality lower, especially with rear footage and night license plate capture. That is not a small thing for a dashcam, because detail is the whole point when something happens. This is a good pick if you want affordable 4-camera coverage and you care more about seeing more angles than getting the sharpest image. But if you want better video detail and a more focused front, rear, and cabin setup, the next model starts to make more sense. And if this review helps you, like the video and subscribe to the channel. At number 3, we have the REDTIGER F17. This is where the list starts to feel more aligned with the actual topic, because it gives you front, rear, and cabin recording in one setup. The main appeal is value. You get a 3-channel system, GPS, Wi-Fi, a cabin camera with infrared lights, and a supercapacitor, which is better suited for heat than a normal built-in battery. For someone who wants a simple setup to record the road and passengers, it covers the basics without moving into premium pricing. But exactly here you need to look closely. The 4K claim has been disputed by independent review sources, and the tested video did not look like true native 4K. The rear and night performance are also weaker than the higher-ranked models. So while the spec sheet looks strong, in real use the image quality is not quite as convincing. This one fits if you want a budget-friendly 3-channel dashcam and you do not want to pay for the top-tier models. But if you care more about sharp license plates, better rear footage, and stronger night recording, the next 2 are clearly more serious choices. At number 2, we have the Vantrue N5, and this is the most complete cabin coverage model in the ranking. Instead of one interior camera, it gives you 2 cabin views, one toward the front cabin and one toward the rear cabin. That matters in everyday use. If you drive for rideshare, have kids in the back, or simply want better coverage inside the vehicle, this camera sees more than a normal 3-channel setup. It also has a Sony STARVIS 2 front sensor, built-in GPS, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, supercapacitor power, and strong parking features with buffered recording. The limitation is image resolution, The front camera records below true 4K, and the rear and both cabin cameras are 1080p. That is still usable, but compared with the VIOFO, the rear camera is not as sharp, and the system is more about coverage than maximum detail. Some accessories like a hardwire kit and filter may also need to be bought separately. So this is the one I would look at if cabin coverage is your top priority. For rideshare drivers, it may actually be more practical than the #1 pick. But if you want the best overall balance of sharp front video, stronger rear video, and cabin recording, the winner is still ahead. At number 1, we have the VIOFO A229 Pro 3CH. For this category, it has the strongest overall balance. It does not have 4 channels like the Vantrue, but the quality of the main cameras is the big reason it takes the top spot. The front camera records in 4K, the rear records in 2K, and the cabin records in 1080p with infrared support. More importantly, the front and rear cameras use Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, and all 3 channels support HDR. In normal driving, that means it is better prepared for bright headlights, dark roads, and tricky lighting than the cheaper options. Of course, it is not perfect. The cabin camera is still 1080p, not 2K or 4K. You also need an optional hardwire kit for the full parking mode setup. And the storage limit is lower than the Vantrue's 1TB support. But compared with the others, the trade-off feels fair because the front and rear recording quality is so strong. This is the best choice if you want one dash cam system that feels serious without becoming too complicated. For most drivers who want front, rear, and cabin coverage with strong video detail, this is the one I would put at the top. Check the links in the description to see the top products from this review and compare the current prices. And if the video helped you choose the right dash cam, like the video and subscribe to the channel.